Kasama natin ngayon ang Area Manager sa EOS Philippines Corporation, si Sir Carlo Martin de la Peña. May adlaw, sir.
May hapon, sir.
Oh,
May buntag sa sales.
May buntag sa sale. Sir, can you introduce kaning bagong produkto na to sa Davao, labi na sa itong mga viewers, sir?
Good afternoon. Sa Bisaya.
Yes.
Tagalog?
Okay lang, sir. Anong comfortable sa inyo, sir?
Sige. So, ako si Carlo de la Peña. So, I am the area manager for ENEOS Philippines here in Mindanao. So, I am representing ENEOS Motor Oils. So, with this label naman nakalagay, we are Japan's #1 motor oil. So, ENEOS has been in Japan since 1888. So, more than 100 years. If I'm not mistaken, it's 137 years to be exact. So, nag-iba lang yung mga pangalan through mergers. Eventually, naging ENEOS na siya.
One of the oldest ba to sa Japan, sir? Or
It's the oldest in
the oldest talaga?
na motor oil.
So, kailan siya dumating sa Philippines,
I
sir?
think it's one of the oldest.
One of the oldest. Dumating siya sa Philippines, kailan lang, sir?
ENEOS ENEOS Philippines 2019
2019.
na dumating siya. But prior to that, meron ng importer. And then ENEOS as a corporation, they entered Philippines 2019. But the problem when it was established, around ilang months lang, nag-pandemic.
Pandemic. So, medyo na
So, na-hamper ang kumbaga ang pag-push sa products. So, after pandemic, saka pa naka-recover. So, right now, it's slowly,
All over the Philippines na to ngayon, sir?
yes sir. We're located in Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. So, we also have partners in other industry. Not hindi lang yung motorcycle, parts, auto supply, auto service. Because ENEOS is also an OEM producer. So, kumbaga, original parts, original equipment manufacturer. So, kumbaga, ano yung specified or specifications ng producers, just like mga motorcycle brands, car brands, kung ano yung specs na kailangan nila, yun yung pinoproduce na ENEOS. So, big chunk of ENEOS business is the OEM. So, I cannot name names, but most Japanese brands, yung mga OEM nila is ENEOS produce products.
Why would Mindanaoans or Davaoenos should choose your oil, sir? Ano bang kaibahan nito sa ibang oils na present ngayon sa market, sir? Is it the price, the quality, or the ingredients? May ingredients or the components?
So, to be fair to all oils, hindi naman nagkakalayo siguro yung mga formulation or kung ano ba yung because normally oils most probably the same, nagkaka-difference na lang sa mga additives. For ENEOS, as what I have said earlier, so we are trusted by the manufacturer. Kumbaga, if you buy a motorcycle, if you buy a car, imagine the confidence the company has given the brand itself. Kumbaga, you can have a 1-year warranty, 3 years warranty sa engine by using our oil. Because what I've said, kumbaga, trusted ng manufacturers. So, kumbaga, they trust it with their with their equipment na they can have or they have the confidence to give warranties knowing that quality-wise is being upheld by the company.
So, any brand ng motorcycle car pwedeng gamitin, sir, ang yung product?
Yes, sir. It only depends sa specifications.
Specification.
So, for example here, may 5W30. So newer cars,
Mm.
ang specified na viscosity nila is 5W30.
Mm.
Tapos naman sa motorcycle, ito naman, 40.
Mm.
So this is for for may mga clutch. Meron din mga for scooter.
Scooter.
Ito yung for scooter. So this is SLMB 1040. So lahat po yun, it depends sa specifications ng vehicle ninyo. So what we recommend is kung ano yung specs, yun yung gamitin. So, but we cannot deny that others would like try different viscosities. So for us, kung ano yung nasa manual, yun yung sundin. But kung ano yung nasa manual, most of the time, we have available naman. Na,
Magkano yung ano dyan, sir? Yung about the price, kumusta, sir? Yung about the...
Enios right now is being positioned as a affordable
Wow, nice.
Nice.
but very high quality product.
Nice.
So,
maganda
kumbaga,
yun.
yung quality namin, tsaka yung quality ng iba, kung magka-same lang sila, the price namin is lower than them. So, you can enjoy the product at much lower
So kung motorista
price.
ka, if you want to save cost and have quality at the same time, Ineos na.
Yes, sir, Enios. So, yung value for money nyo is nandun.
One of the areas na nag-concentrate kayo, sir, is Davao City. Bakit kayo nag-concentrate sa Davao City? Ano bang meron sa city na to or ano bang mga...
For Davao City, it's because of the population.
Okay.
So, if you look at the demographics of the vehicles here in Davao, so, maraming four wheels, maraming din motorcycles. So, yung diversity is nandun. So, for us to be able to capture a bigger market, so, nasa city. So, especially the trend right now is more on scooters. So, a lot of people are transferring or from semi-automatic or to the clutch to scooter. So, mostly if you look at the market right now, scooters are dominating the city.
Yeah.
But if you go outside or it's not like the outskirts, but not in the center, you will see naman yung mga clutch and also yung mga tawag natin na tuk-tuk or bao-bao. So, different location, different concentration of vehicles. So, here in Mindanao or here in Davao in particular, compare sa other like regions or ibang lugar sa country, we are diesel dominated here. So, if you compare it, I think sa Cebu, mostly sa kanila is smaller cars because roads nila is narrower.
Normally.
So, sa kanila more on gasoline naman. Dito more on diesel. We have bigger cars, SUVs, pickups, because our road can accommodate that. Plus also, yung iba is they're using it for business.
Aside from Davao,
Paano nyo pinapaganda yung yung produkto, lalo na yung mga tumatangkilik talaga na yung produkto?
One thing we can assure you is that our company
Yes.
doesn't compromise when it comes to quality. So, to give you an example, we follow a very strict expiration date. So, kung sa Bisaya pa, sir, anything you buy here, dili siya bahaw.
Oo. Tama.
So, other companies
recycle.
normally, hindi siya recycle, but shelf life
Shelf life na.
is
Ginapurulong nila.
longer.
Ulong.
But for the Japanese, it's just 2 years. So, I don't know sa other companies kung unsa or how long, but for us from my previous company, longer than 2 years. So, but for
So, ano
Enios,
lagi na compromise ang quality, no?
yes sir. Enios sir, dili pa nakabot ng 2 years. Kailangan ma-dispose na siya.
Oo ba?
Yes sir. Inuna na,
Stricto ang inyong...
Yes, sir. That's what you can, what we can assure you is the quality or the Japanese way of enforcing the quality of the product. So, mo na nga kung ingon ta nga palitan pyesa, palitan ko. Kung Japanese, sigurado ta nga quality.
Exacto.
So, kaya sir, oil siya. But they are very strict in implementing that na so we will not compromise. So, if mag-compromise sila regarding sa quality, so if ever something happens or hindi satisfied ang customer, so it would return or have a negative feedback sa company.
Aside sa Davao City, sir, na ba area sa Mindanao nag-start na mag-enter, sir, or promote sa product?
Davao City, General Santos City, Vigo City, Tagum City. Right now, we have also pending orders in Mati.
Mga dagko.
So in Coronadal, we are also having a negotiation.
Mawa.
So and then recently lang, a week ago, Cagayan we opened. So they're just waiting for their order. So that we can.
So for ano bang mga tao sa reception, mga tao, are they receptive to your product? Excited ba sila, sir?
For those na nakatry, the feedback are good. So this is coming from them, not from me. So feedback normally is mas magaan ang motor, mas magaan ang hatak. Mas magaan ang hatak sa sasakyan. So for us, it's a very kung sa Tagalog pa nakakatabak ng puso. We're not like sponsoring them, they're just giving their feedback. Sir, okay ang hatak. Actually, someone tried our product, nag-loop, I think endurance race, 1,000, more than 1,000
Kilometers.
Feedback is, compare niya sa
Isang area to, sir, if you don't mind, sir.
I think Davao City to Davao Oriental.
Okay.
So I'm not very sure lang sa loop nila or sa route nila. So that was I think 3 weeks ago.
So kumusta man, sir, so far? Maganda ba yung resulta nun, sir?
For them, feedback is very nice. They're very confident with the product. Then performance-wise, they can compare it to what they previously used. And then upon change oil, they can compare from the same mileage. So para sa kanila, pag drain ng oil is quality-wise, kumaga para sa kanila, pwede pang gamitin sa
Mindanao is a big area, sir. Do you have plans to conquer all areas in Mindanao, especially yung Zamboanga Peninsula, sir? Zamboanga, Sultan Kudarat, yung mga areas na ganun, sir? Or in the future pipeline, meron ba yan, sir?
Wala namang restrictions. We're just looking for partners.
Okay.
Partner.
So we have to be also strategic with the partners that we choose. So because different areas is kumbaga different attitudes rin ng ano. And then kung in a particular area, they know kumbaga mas kilala nila yung market. So we cannot like cover other areas and have a distributor from other areas. So we're looking for strategic partners. But that is the goal, to cover every region, every city available.
Many companies have a tradition of sponsoring sports events. Mayroon bing ganito rin sa inyo, sir?
Yes sir, we have actually, we are in partnership with the Racing Line. So they are handling the RUGP or Regional Under Bone Grand Prix. So it has 4 legs. Davao City, which is already done, Tagum City, and then we have upcoming Bohol and Cebu leg. And then we have right now, hindi ko pa nakuha yung details, but we have already the autocross naman. So that's gonna be Jensan, Davao, and I think CDO in Cebu.
Aside from racing, sir, may other sports bang nakaplano na you want to plan to support or nagawa niyo na, sir?
So aside sa racing sports, we are also in partnership with a football club here in Davao City, the CR7. So what we are trying to do with the athletes is that part of the strategy of the company is to help promote yung mga ano natin grassroots
Grassroots.
programs. So if
And I think football is one of the fast rising sports sa Davao,
yes,
sir.
Especially
Medyo
after-
maraming football clubs dito, sir.
Yes sir. And then especially after pandemic,
Yeah.
mga tao
Yeah.
na go into sports, other physical activities. So if you look at the RUGP, so some of the riders there started when they were 11, 12. So that is what we are trying to continue. Kumbaga, we are trying to do we are trying to support them to have a continuity in the sport.
After CR7, may other clubs pa bang nakaplano or
Yes, we have another partnership, but for now I cannot divulge the name of the club, but it's also a football club. So there are also kids club. So that's what we are trying to do. Kumbaga, right from the very start we are there to help them, and then when they develop, we are still there.
Considering sir nga nag-sponsor mo mga activities, nabo mo plano po nga i-promote pagmayo inyong produkto pinagi sa media.
Right now, we are doing that actually, but we are doing that through our head office. So lahat ngayon naka-centralize pa, but we're trying to do it locally. So right now we are kumbaga, we are strategizing.
Kasi napangutanan ako sa mga sir, considering na niagi ta sa pandemic, tapos nakasabot ta sa dagan sa atong negosyo, muna nga basig tagag pagtuon yun po ning pag-promote sa inyo kay kinahanglan po namo gumatabangan di lang single out ninyo ng produkto nga agi lang kundi disseminate yun sa mga kliyente po.
Yes sir, actually. That is like partly of what we're trying to do to make the people understand or to make them aware of what NAS is, what our products are, and the services we offer. So,
sir, statement for the whole Mindanao and for the Baweño, sir, to buy your products, and what would they get if they decide to try your products, sir?
so for that, I encourage everyone to try NAS products. It depends on what your needs are. So for us, we can assure you that quality-wise, just like what I have said before, we don't compromise the quality. So we uphold the quality. So if you want to try our product, rest assured that you will have a very high quality product that doesn't compromise on the performance, but you can also enjoy it by being very affordable.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon.
And good